No damage to your natural lashes. Oh, hold on. We're struggling. My eye says no. You can wear these up to 10 days. Hey girl, welcome to Emmarie Lane, where my goal is to find you the best beauty products for the best prices. And in today's video, we're doing something I haven't messed with in a long time. We're going to be comparing the new Kiss imPRESS press-on false lashes versus the Kiss Falscara. I remember trying this when it first came out, and I feel like they've updated it. As soon as I saw this, I thought of this, and I'm like, we gotta compare them, see which one's better. I'm nervous. Let's start with the press-on lashes. Theoretically, they should be easier, right? There's less stuff to deal with. Should I be curling my lashes? You know the trick of curling your lashes all the way up, right? And not just at the roots? That's like a game changer. I talk about it anytime I can. We'll do the imPRESS on my right and the Falscara on my left. So it has a 24-hour hold. We'll see how long I can stay up. Make sure I do this right. Pluck a cluster from the tray. Place the cluster underneath your natural lashes. Squeeze clusters and natural lashes together with the applicator. I'm gonna do my best to stay on camera. I can make no promises though. So you're just supposed to use your fingers. Oh, they're really sticky. I don't want to like break it. I guess it's been such a long time since I applied false lashes like this, at least. I wear false lashes during holidays, but not like this. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. A. Is it on all the way? Oh, don't pinch yourself. That was easy. It's on. It's on. So according to Ulta's website, it says, lash in a flash with no glue needed. Just press on and go with pre-bond breakthrough technology. Our game changer. Hey, we talk the same. The first ever press-on lashes lets you lash in simply one step with no mistakes and no mess. Okay, let's see if that's true. These lashes are for everyone. It's volumed, mistake proof. We'll see. No damage to your natural lashes. Bands are invisible and look super natural. Let's hope. 20 pre-bonded clusters, which it says it has 2 to 3 full applications in this. So the price is not that bad, all things considering. They're normally $16.99 a set. They have 4 stars with 41 reviews. I have them in the natural set. I tried to get ones that were as close as possible to each other, and I feel like I did a decent job. I feel like the Falscara is longer though. Well, that's fine. I'm just gonna have longer lashes on one side. Hopefully it won't look too bad. Oh, hold on. We're struggling with this one. Is it not sticky anymore? It's still sticky. Oh dear. And now that one's coming off. Oh no. Don't come off. It's like half off. Oh, I think it's back on. I'm gonna like try to get this in a different spot. Maybe that's the problem. Oh, okay. We're just gonna ditch that one. Maybe that one was bogus. Do I do one more? Makes me kind of nervous to try to do one more. We'll try to do one more. Ow. Maybe I just don't mess with it. My eye says no. My eye says no to a last one. So, because it's like watering, and anytime I try to touch it to the lash, it's like, no thanks. This is what we're looking like. I almost want to redo this one though, because it looks kind of crooked. I don't know if I will or not. I kind of fixed it. See, I feel like that looks incomplete. Do I like cut one in half? I feel like that's my problem, is it's too big. Maybe I should try to cut one in half and see if I can get away with that. Is it perfect? No. I was able to get that inner corner lash in though after cutting it in half. It took a second. It was not the most comfortable thing ever, but now it feels fine. I feel like with practice, if this is something that I really wanted to do, I could get better. But like, I'm just not used to applying lashes underneath, which I know is the Falscara too, but like, it's not my greatest talent of all time. They feel comfortable so far though. Like, I can tell that they're on there. It's not like they're completely invisible, but like neither is mascara. They're not uncomfortable. So I just looked at the packaging again. This is what happens when you don't pay attention. I just used all medium ones, and there are medium and long. I didn't realize that there were 2 lengths, and I probably should have used all long because the Falscara ones are all long. It's fine. These are still pretty long. You can wear these up to 10 days. I had no idea. That might have to be a video one day. Let me know if you want me to do that. Seeing how long they can last, like how many days. That'd be kind of entertaining. This is not stressful at all. That's that. Oh, we got it. I feel like the first one's always easy though. And the rest are like, ah! No, that went on pretty good. I like how I'm applying this. Whoa, that's kind of crazy. Oh, we lost a lash. That one did not stick, like, at all. Should I just try it with my fingers? If you can mascara, you can Falscara. This starter kit has all you need to secure wisps under your natural lashes for an easy application every time. Most natural looking false lashes ever. Well, they made that statement for these, so let's see. Use the bond to prime and prep your lashes and then seal. So normally they are $19, they're on sale for $13. I'm not sure. I remember liking them just fine. I just have so much mascara, I just don't need need them normally. That was easier to apply, without a doubt. Okay, that was an adventure. Holy cow. Let's get you really close so you can see. You can get this headband off. Ugh. I think both are really pretty. This was 10 times easier to do. And it's not like the press-on ones are crazy ridiculous, but if you're like a newbie to putting lashes underneath your eyes, the bonding stuff makes it so much easier because you're anchoring onto something immediately rather than like hoping that the glue will find your lashes. I don't know why I feel like they're easier to space out. I don't know if it's the width of the bands, but I feel like the bands are easier to see on the press-on side. And that's something that you could technically fix if you tightlined your waterline before you did this, but I don't know how much tightlining would affect the adhesive. They both feel comfortable. There's nothing crazy weird feeling about them, although I feel like if I look down, I can kind of see the band of one of the press-ons, and that's not the case with these. I can just see the lashes with these. Okay, this is my kind of thought process so far. Comparing the two, this is easier, and it's like kind of benefit this has is there's no glue, right? But like this glue is a lot easier to use than other lash glue. So it's like, okay, I don't know how like much of a benefit the like no glue thing is. See, it is currently 11:20. I'm gonna go about my day. I'll do a check-in halfway throughout the day on natural lighting. I'm also gonna go exercise in a few hours, but I normally don't exercise with false lashes on. There's a good chunk of people that wear false lashes because they need it for an event where maybe they'll be moving around a lot and you don't want to have to deal with your lashes like falling off during the process. So I'm gonna go exercise in a few hours probably. I will see you in just a second. Okay, so I just finished my workout. You can tell I'm kind of sweaty. I feel like this lash in the middle, which I thought was like the most secure, has kind of shifted. I don't know if you can tell. And I feel like I can kind of see it in my vision when I look straight forward, and the other side looks fine. So we'll see what happens after the halfway point check-in. If it doesn't move at all, it's not the end of the world, but... So I might have gotten distracted and forgot to take it to check-in outside, but that's okay. We're at about 7 hours in, and this little piece is not migrated anymore, which is great. I still feel like I like the look of these better. I feel like they just sit better, not even just like the way that they're shaped or anything like that. But like nothing else has really happened since my little exercise issue. They still feel comfortable. I feel like I can kind of feel this here, and I can't really feel these lashes at all. But either way, they're comfortable. They're not bugging me. I'm just trying to like point out little details. When I asked my sister what she thought of them, they're like, they're so cute. And then she got closer. She's like, wait, those aren't your lashes? So I mean, at least there's that. Okay, it's currently 1:40 in the morning. It's been a long day. I don't know if you can tell, but these two lashes in the middle have both shifted. And maybe it's because I accidentally had them a little bit on top of each other. I don't know. But the falsies are just perfectly fine. No issues. They were super comfortable. I didn't notice them throughout the day. Here are my thoughts and feelings. Are the new press-ons necessarily bad? No. But I have an issue with the fact that unless like you're an expert at applying lashes underneath your lashes instead of on top, there's going to be a pretty big learning curve because these are like a one and done. Like you get one, maybe two chances to get it on right, and if you mess it up, they're not sticky anymore. And so it's like, okay, like maybe I'm just not the best at applying lashes underneath, but like that's kind of like a little bit of a like downside to me. It's not budging now. How are you supposed to take these off? With clean hands, use your fingers to remove. Maybe you just use your finger. I'm trying to figure out the one that's been like falling off. Oh, did I get it? No. I don't like this part. Oh, we got it. Oh, we got two. Wow. See, they were like right next to each other. You get the last one off. There we go. We got them off. Oh, that was kind of scary. I feel like unless you hate the idea of using any glue and you're like, this will be just a game changer for me. Like I can't stand the Falscara glue. I don't know why you wouldn't just go with this. It's not like you'd be able to just like put the lashes in another package because they're stuck to this package. It's not like travel wouldn't be any less bulky. They're easier to put on. I mean, I'm curious about this whole 10-day situation. I don't know, maybe it's because they're easier to put on, so they're easier to make look nicer. I just prefer these. I prefer the falsies, which is a bummer because I was really excited about the no glue thing. But you're going to see a video comparing the new L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara versus the original one. You can click right here. I'll link everything I talk about in the description box below. Those links are affiliate links, so I do get a small percent of profits if you use my link to buy the product. It does not affect you in any way. I love you so much. Don't forget that you are enough. Bye!